Hello everyone and happy Halloween. It's been a second, but we have a Stitch Fix today. Before we get to this, I just want to tell you a little bit about our California vacation. I hope to do a little vlog. I did a little bit of video while we were gone. Maybe talk about our experience all together and show some pictures and a few videos. But I'm so bad at it. I still have not posted my Dirty Dancing weekend or week or whatever from like April, because I was really hoping to like insert clips into it and do like the whole like comparison, but life is just crazy in the summer, and it was like right before everything started with my weddings and all that, so I didn't get to it. So it's still sitting there. Maybe I'll post it, hopefully maybe after Christmas. I don't know. That's just the kind of time that I've had lately, but I do want to get it posted. I do want to talk about California and get some of that posted. Just a really quick recap. We went to Disneyland, both parks, Disneyland in California, and then we went to Laguna Beach, Balboa Island, Santa Monica, Los Angeles, Hollywood, and that's it, I think. So fun. We had the best time, except we had a little mishap in our Airbnb where at 1:30 in the morning on one of the nights, we were woken up to blaring alarms, and there was carbon monoxide in our Airbnb. There was a leak in the stove, and it scared the crap out of us. So it got up to 45 ppm. My husband called 911. We got out of the Airbnb right away, called 911. Fire department got there. They had their little testers and they aired out the place and then made sure it was safe for us to go back in and sleep. Still had a sleepless night because of course I was like paranoid. They did leave the gas off, and the people who own the Airbnb did have maintenance come in and put a new stove in. It wasn't even a shady place. Like, it was like a really nice gated community, but you know, things happen. And it was a really good lesson because we do not have carbon monoxide detectors in our home. It's a newer home. We built it. We've been here for 11 years. But you just never know what's going to happen. And this was such a good lesson for us because as soon as we got home, we ordered carbon monoxide detectors, and I am encouraging all of you to do that as well. Just anything that will help, that will detect something, because it can kill you. And if you're in it long enough, you can have like long-term effects and get really sick from it. So that's my little spiel on that. It is Halloween, so I have my Hocus Pocus shirt on. It is 50 and a little drizzly here in Michigan. Nothing new there. We always have rainy Halloweens, I feel like, as my kids grow up. I feel like when I was younger, it was a lot nicer, but not so much for them. I'm so excited. I have not had a Stitch Fix, I feel like, in so long. I think that was my last box before I left, and I haven't had anything since. So yeah, here we are. I kept my stylist from the last time. When I got her preview, it was so bad. It was all of those like brush knit shirts with the tie fronts and the twist fronts and the 3/4 sleeves and the stripes and the heathered gray. And I was like, no, please, that is like the farthest from my style. I know that it's big everywhere and everyone really likes it because it's soft and cozy, but I just don't like it. It's just not me. So I need like cotton stuff and just really nice natural fabrics, because I just am sweaty and I have allergies and all that stuff. Anyways, I am just talking too much. Let's get into this box. We will go over pricing at the end. There will be a try-on. And it says, hi Jill, happy Fix Day. Glad to have you back for another round and to be styling your latest delivery of wardrobe additions. I hope you've been well since your last fix and that fall in insert my town, is off to an amazing start. Thanks for taking the time to review your Fix preview and make a couple of selections. I did select 2 things. I'm sorry to see that the options you saw were a miss, but appreciate all the feedback you shared. I hope these pieces are more what you were hoping for, but keep the feedback coming. I kicked things off with a fantastic pair of Pistola cargo pants, which are an on-trend option that are as comfy as they are stylish. Pair them with a rails tee and a denim jacket for a 90s inspired ensemble that you can finish with the pop of plaid in the Market and Spruce crossbody. What do you think? Until next time, enjoy. XO Lily. I think I've only gotten maybe one other purse and a Stitch Fix ever, and this is my, had a lot of fixes. This is my 92nd Stitch Fix, you guys. So crazy. Okay, so here is the bundle. This orange one is the one that I kept, and then I also kept the white t-shirt by Rails. And then here is the little bag. I thought it was really cute. I do kind of wish it had more of like a pop of color, but I really think the plaid is pretty cute. And then it has a crossbody strap, and it has like this pinstripe lining inside, lots of little zippered pockets, which is nice. And it is like a faux leather on the outside and like a flannel right here. So yeah, that's really cute. We will try that on with stuff. Okay, so first this sweater. It's very lightweight, very, very soft. It has a cross back style, which I thought was super duper cute. This is by ELLIE, and it is 54% rayon, 30% nylon, or 30% polyester, and 16% nylon. It feels very soft and lightweight, and like a sweater I would really like, because it's not gonna make me hot and sweaty because it's so heavy. There's the front. Super cute color too, like a reddish orange. Okay, here is the Rails tee. This is the second thing that I kept. It is pricey, but I have never tried a Rails t-shirt before, and you know I love my t-shirts, so I thought I'd give them a try. I thought the stars on it were super cute. We will see how see-through this is. It looks pretty see-through. I may have to, let's see, maybe I'll change my bra, but maybe I won't, just to see how see-through it is. Love the V-neck, super cute, very soft. I think this had a little bit of linen in it. Let's see. This is 55% linen, 45% rayon. The reason I really love the preview is because it tells you the fabric content. And so I can even see before they send it to me what the fabric is gonna be. So if it's something that I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so cute, and I really want it, but then I look at the fabric and it's like all acrylic, then it's out the window. And I don't waste my time. So I do like the preview a lot for that reason. Okay, so I used to not be into animal print, but I don't know, I've kind of been loving it this season. I got this little cardigan at Marshall's. It is Lucky brand. It's got little buttons up it, but I thought it was really cute. And then she sends me this, which I kind of like as well. Again, it's super soft. This is by KAILEIGH. Really love the cuff style at the ends. Nice lightweight, nice subtle animal print. This is 63% poly, 34 rayon, and 3% spandex. I don't mind poly blends, honestly, because they're pretty lightweight. And then here are the pants. These are a Stitch Fix exclusive. This is by Pistola. I love the brand Pistola. I think they have nice stuff. So they're like a jogger, but a straight leg. So no jogger at the bottom. What do they call that? A cuff. No cuff. I really like the waistband though. Nice big utility pockets. Yeah, so these are really cute, you know, kind of more of like a dressed up jogger almost. Nice kind of cotton stretch to them. Let's see what they are. They are 60% cotton, 40% modal. And there's the pocket part, I'm guessing, is woven 100% rayon. Ooh. They're a little bit of like that scratchy on the inside. So we'll see what that feels like. It's kind of like a terry knit, like a towel almost. We'll see. Okay, let's do try on. I'm so excited. I feel like I haven't tried stuff on in so long. Here we go. Okay, here we go. First outfit. I feel like this is very Jill. The pants, very nice, great length. They feel fine on the inside. And then she said to pair it with a denim jacket. So here it is. The tee is under here. I'll talk about that in a minute. Here's the little purse. I like it. It's not like something I love. Typically when I get handbags, I do love crossbody, but I do end up spending a little bit more to get leather or like a coated canvas. And I'm not typically into browns, I guess. So it is cute. I do like it. I don't love it, but it is cute. I think it's faux leather, which is why I said that. Okay, and then here is the outfit with the bag. These are just some little slip-on shoes from Old Navy. Again, very subtle animal print on them. Okay, and then t-shirt is super see-through, but with a nude bra, no problem. It's very cute. I like how the sleeves lay down just so. I hate when they have that weird triangle or it's like too short up here. I just don't like when t-shirts do that. So when they lay nicely, I'm like, okay, I like this. And then pants fit really good. They're a tiny bit big, I would say, but I think I like them that way. Just a little like slouchy, comfortable. They do have pockets in the back, which I also think is nice. I really like these pants, actually. Okay, and then here is the t-shirt untucked. I definitely would wear this outfit. Very Jill. Here's the next outfit. So cute. Obviously jeans and boots are mine. The top is what is Stitch Fix. The jeans are from Old Navy and the boots are from Clark's. I got them from the outlet. They were buy one, get one half off, so I got 2 pairs. But I loved the color of these and that they had a flat heel. All the booties I've ever seen, for the most part, have heels on them, which I know makes you look like longer and leaner, but I'm getting too old for heels. My feet hurt too much. I need flats. So I really love them and I love the color. I love this outfit. I think it looks really, really cute. This shirt is so comfortable. I think it fits really well. Like the sleeves and the cuff. Kind of roll up your sleeves a little. Do a little tuck in the front here. Really cute. Really, really cute. Here is the pattern. Like a nice kind of vintage look, like a faded look to it. Has just like the raglan type style sleeve. And then it does have like a seam kind of going from here down here. Can you see that? think it kind of brings it in a little bit, which is nice. This will be cute with like a little bomber jacket over it, little utility jacket, really, really cute. All right, I have one more sweater. Here is the last sweater. I love the color of this sweater. I love the feel of it. It's like nice and lightweight, and it's so soft. Has a little V-neck. It is very slim fit, so I feel like it sucks to me just a little bit. And I don't know if I like that. And I don't think going a size up would do anything for it. I think it would make the underarms too big. It does have these nice cuffs on it, which I like. I love when cuffs are finished. I just feel like it's a little, right here, a little clingy. It's a little bit of a longer length. It is finished on the bottom as well with just a little band. And then here is the back. So really cute crisscross detail. I have a lower bra on that kind of comes down to here, but I think if you wore like a regular straight across bra, it might peek out a little bit here. What do you guys think of this one? Is it enough suckage that it's looking clingy, and I don't know, I probably wouldn't wear it because of it. So your opinions might not even matter. I'm just gonna keep fiddling with it. Bummer, because it's really soft and really nice. I really love the color. Okay, let's do a recap. Talk about pricing. Pricing recap time. So that was a good box. I mean, cute stuff. I liked everything, you know, some fit issues again and stuff, but like other than that, I mean, it's pretty good. The Rails Cara tee in white, $88. I know that V-neck was $88. I don't know why they charge so much. I just don't know. It's just a t-shirt. The Pistola Chandler cargo crop drawstring something in black, $88. Oh, did like those pants. The KAILEIGH Lila crew neck knit top in dark gray. That was the animal print one's only $40, so that's pretty good. The Rakuten SPRUCE Eldora zip front crossbody bag in cognac, $48. So that's a little pricey for a not leather bag, I feel like. The Love ELLIE Mia back detail pullover in burnt orange, $44. That's a pretty good price too, but again, I thought it was pretty clingy. The total is $308. If I buy all 5, I get 25% off. That's $77 off, so my total will be at $231, which is not that bad. That's definitely in my budget range of what I want to spend on boxes, but I don't think I love everything. I do like everything, and I think I really like that animal print one, which was only $40. So I might end up just getting that. Tell me what you guys think of those pants and that Rails t-shirt. I could always get the box and sell a couple things. The orange sweater I'm sure would go nuts on some of the Facebook post pages, and the bag probably too. It's pretty cute, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Well, I have some more boxes coming, so we'll be together more frequently, luckily, because I've missed doing these videos and hearing from you guys and talking to a screen. But yeah, we're done for now. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, everyone. And if you haven't tried Stitch Fix yet, you can click on my link below. If you haven't liked my videos, do that. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe because, yeah, helps build my channel. Talk to you guys later.